When reading Revelation, one of the hardest questions is, what is the timeline? Does it describe the past, the present, or the future? And is it chronological, cyclical, or symbolic? Revelation is filled with visions, seals, trumpets, bowls, and cosmic battles. Some Christians interpret these visions as strictly chronological, unfolding step by step from chapter 1 to 22. This is called the futurist view, which sees most of Revelation as describing future events leading to Christ's return. Others take a historicist view, believing Revelation maps out the course of world history, with each vision representing a different era of the church age. Still others hold the preterist view, which interprets much of Revelation as fulfilled in the first century, especially in the Roman Empire's persecution of Christians. Finally, many scholars adopt the idealist view, which sees Revelation as symbolic, showing the ongoing struggle between good and evil throughout every generation. But here's the key. Revelation itself gives us a clue. In Revelation 1:19, John is told, "Write the things which you have seen, the things which are, and the things which will take place after this." This suggests that Revelation speaks to the past, the present, and the future all at once. Rather than being a simple timeline, Revelation is more like a series of cycles visions that repeat the same message from different angles. God is sovereign, Christ will return, and evil will ultimately be defeated. So, practically speaking, what does this mean for us today? It means that while some parts of Revelation may have a specific chronological order, other parts overlap and intertwine in ways that defy a neat linear timeline. For example, the tribulation, a period of intense persecution, could be understood as both a present reality for Christians who face various trials and a future event marked by final great persecution just before Christ's return. The same is true of the judgment described in the book. Some see it as primarily future, pointing to events that have not yet happened. Others emphasize its present reality, highlighting how God is currently judging the world through his word and his people. And still others focus on the past, noting how judgment befell the wicked in the first century. So how should we make sense of these different perspectives? We need to remember that Revelation was written to encourage and warn the original audience, not just to provide a roadmap of future events. So while it's fun and maybe even hopeful to try to date these events, we must never forget the bigger picture. Revelation is a book of hope. It reminds us that no matter what we face in our day, whether persecution, poverty, sickness, or sin, Jesus is the conquering king. He has defeated the dragon and all his demons, and he will bring his kingdom to its fullest expression. So let's read Revelation and take heart. Let's remember that we serve a living, active, powerful God who is working right now to bring about his righteous and final victory. And until next time, may the favor of the Lord, Jesus Christ, be with you.